Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all fine. I'm also fine. Today we will discuss about online money, that how can we make money online. We will be using some websites and we will check that how can we earn money online in US dollars. So let's start. Make money online. The definitive Swagbucks guide to earning money while you're on the web. Over 40 million Americans have a side hustle or some way of making extra money. There are so many options, from doing affiliate marketing through blogging to making item for Etsy to drop shipping products with Shopify. These all require an ample amount of free time or starting capital. With Swagbucks, you can make extra cash through your phone during your free time. Avoid getting catch up in a scam or pyramid scheme when looking for a new side hustle. No need to pay for a specialized webinar or online course to learn how to do this. Swagbucks is a free and highly rated digital rewards and cashback site that's paid out over $554 million to its users. Swagbucks offers a number of activities for its users to make money online. All you need is a high quality internet connection. Can you get paid to take online surveys? One of the most popular and common ways people can make money online is through the Swagbucks online survey program. Brand and market research companies invite Swagbucks users to fill out online surveys about products and services. When user complete a survey, Swagbuck pays its user between $0.05 and $2.50, and sometimes as much as $25 to $35. What surveys pay money? The survey topics include one about advertising and movie trailer effectiveness, the importance of various product and service feature, variety of products in an e-commerce collection, and perhaps the most popular in-home product trial for user testing. It's important to keep in mind that participants don't qualify for all surveys. Market researchers often want opinions from users who match specific demographics or who are in market for particular products and services. If you attempt a survey that you ultimately don't qualify for, Swagbucks will give you a latest 1 point in its rewards program. You know what they say, a penny for your thoughts. How can I make the most money taking online surveys? After you have gone through your email, after you have run through your social media feeds, when you have watched all your Snapchat stories and looked through your Twitter, fill up your spare time and make money paid online surveys. To start making money with online surveys, sign up with Swagbucks, verify your email address and complete your profile. With our new mobile app, you can complete dozens of surveys from your smartphone. Stick with it. Getting paid for taking surveys take time, but with you will see the money add up. How do you make money by testing products and services? Marketers and brands literally pay Swagbucks users to try their products and services to get honest feedback. In many cases, the amount of money that marketers pay will cover a portion of the cost of the product or service itself. However, there are some cases where companies reward users with more than the cost of the service, like covering the first year of membership. This is often the case with subscription services where advertisers want to entice consumers into an initial trial of their service with the hope that consumers will stay subscribed after the trial period. What are the best Swagbucks deals? Here's a roundup of some of the best deals for awesome services where you can actually make money simply by trying them out. I hope you guys like my video and you will follow these kind of the instructions because you also want to earn US dollars. So I hope you will like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.